Hi, I'm Wade, your Get Set Up guide. Instagram is one of the most popular social platforms for sharing photos and videos. While Instagram supports other functions like chatting, audio calls, and video calls, its speed and simplicity in taking photos and videos is what really distinguishes it from other similar apps like WhatsApp and Facebook Messenger. The goal of this class is to teach you how to take, edit, and share pictures easily using Instagram. In this class, you will learn how to share pictures with your followers by posting the pictures on their feed, share pictures via stories, which disappear in 24 hours, and share pictures directly with individuals or groups of individuals, and much more. One learner, after completing the class, said, "Lots and lots of information presented in an organized way. A great introduction to Instagram." So if you're interested in learning how to use Instagram, I hope you'll sign up for the class, meet other learners with similar interests, and become part of our lifelong learning community here at Get Set Up.